So, guys, finally we are stepping into one of the most beautiful spots here. I mean, that is called Gulistan Sayyid. You can say lots of students here, just they are enjoying here. And one more interesting point is here, you can say it is really mesmerizing place. And you can say they are my friends, and they have come to here to Aligarh Muslim University to be part of this wonderful special day. You can say a wonderful celebration. So we are enjoying here together, and lots of students today. Yeah. So please say something. So I have some quick question for you, Mr. Abdullah sir, and he's my one of sir, you can say, and he's studying at JNU University, and he's my one of senior also. His name is Hamidur Rahman. He is also a scholar, and I have a quick question for them. So how does it feel to be here on this special day?
Thank you for giving me this chance. Actually, I'm very feeling good and pleasant thing that I should, what I say, I couldn't understand and what I could not express what kind of feeling and
Oh,
happiness. And I see a lot of students and a lot of my friends and meeting with them. I feel very happy. Okay.
wow, that's great, and thank you so much, Mr. Abdullah sir. And I have another question for Mr. Hamidur Rahman. So, how's the feeling after joining this celebration?
First of all, thank you. Assalamu alaikum. This is a great moment for us, all the Aligarhian, those who are present here, and those who don't come, unable to come here, but they are celebrating in other places. But it's a moment for us to celebrate, to enjoy, to make happy for ourselves. It's a good time. I hope all of you are enjoying this moment, and thank you.
Oh, that's a great answer, Mr. Hamdur Rahman. So I have another question. One of my class friends, Mr. Imran Khan, and he's a really brilliant student. I can't express about his, attitude, and you can say his teaching style, his walking style is one kind of, and one thing more you can say. I mean, he's a big fan of Virat Kohli. He has gone to already Australia. What can you say about Virat Kohli? I mean, he will play good or bad?
It doesn't matter that. Sorry, my name is Imran Hussain, and I am so excited that I am waiting for Virat Kohli, and inshallah I will watch. I must watch, and I will say one thing: just carpe diem. Remember the word carpe diem.
Oh, that's great. And I have another friend, and he is from Jamia Millia Islamia University in Delhi. It is situated in Delhi, and he's really, he's looks like any. I mean, how can I say his face expression? His smile is really outstanding and beautiful also. So actually, he has come to here to Aligarh Muslim University to part of this wonderful and special day, Sir Syed Day. So it is not only just day, you can say it is also a wonderful celebration, and uh, it's filled with peace, and you can say enjoy, and lots of students they are enjoying here. Man, how do you feel now after joining this party?
थैंक यू अस्सलाम वालेकुम। ये तो बहुत बड़ी बात है मेरे लिए, बहुत खुशी की बात है कि ये आज सर सैयद डे है, क्योंकि ये मेरा फर्स्ट टाइम है और मैंने पिछले 3 सालों से प्लानिंग कर रहा हूँ कि हाँ सर सैयद डे जाऊँगा, देखूँगा क्या माहौल है यहाँ का। तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा फील हो रहा है और मैं बहुत खुश हूँ। और जब से कल कल शाम को मैं आया, कल से मैं अपने फ्रेंड के साथ हूँ और बहुत ही एक्साइटेड फील कर रहा हूँ। So I am very happy, very good happy. Thank you.
Wow, that's great, guys. You can say actually this place is a really mesmerizing place. I mean, I'm totally blown away after seeing this place. You can say it is really mesmerizing place, and I'm captivated after seeing it. And I have a partner, you can say, and you know already, my friend Minsar. So please say something about this day.
So first of all, how are you guys? I'm really excited and waited for this day. and actually now you can see how we are enjoying together. So now we have already met with some parents who have come from the JNU and Jamia, and also we together celebrating this day, and really it's a wonderful day. It's not only day, it's an emotion, it's a pride to us that Sir Sayyid Ahmad Khan have established this university, and that's why we're hearing and we're studying in this university, and really it's a pride for me and for our society that he had a lot of work for our community to upliftment this community. So I'm really excited, and also after some times I will explain and I will show the amazing and beautiful places about like most oldest hostel in our university, like South and North Hall. So stay connected with us and watch this video till the end. Hello.
Wow, thank you so much for explaining this vibe.